This pipe cleaner reindeer is great as a standalone decoration, or you can add a hanger and put it on the tree. For this project, you'll need 6 brown pipe cleaners, 1 tan pipe cleaner, googly eyes, craft glue, fingernail clippers, a scrap of red or black felt, and scissors. To make the reindeer's body, hold 2 of the brown pipe cleaners together and fold them in half in the middle. The fold here will be the reindeer's nose. Take another pipe cleaner and hold it just about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch from the end of the nose and wrap it around in a bundle around all of those pipe cleaners, one coil right on top of the other to make the head of the reindeer. Now take one of the 4 pipe cleaner tails that you have and wrap it around with one coil right next to each other to make the neck of the reindeer. Now we are going to take 2 of the tails and make the back legs. So you want to go down about 2 inches from the end of the neck there, and you're going to bend 2 of the tails down like so, which will become the legs. With the 3rd tail that's left over, you're going to bend it to make a tail. And you don't want the tail to be too long, so you're going to have an extra piece that's going to go back into the body here. So the tail, you want to pinch it so that it forms a nice point there, and then you're going to bend it up just a little bit to make a reindeer tail. All right, so that's what we've got so far. Now take another pipe cleaner and we're going to start the body. And I'm going to start it just a little bit at the base of the neck here. And I'm going to coil it really loosely around with the coils almost one on top of the other to start that body. So keep it loose, make the coils close together. Some of them can even overlap a little bit so that we get a thick body. So you're going to do 2 more pipe cleaners just like that, one next to the other, to finish off the body of the reindeer. Cut another pipe cleaner in half with the fingernail clippers. Set 1/2 aside. This is going to become the ears later. But with this half, we're going to make the front legs and feet of the reindeer. So fold it in half, and then you're just going to coil up just a tiny little foot at the bottom, about 1.5 coils, and turn that foot up so that the reindeer can stand. Then toward the base of the neck, the first couple coils of the body, separate 2 coils and stick that pipe cleaner down in between the coils and make sure it's securely in there. Then you're going to take the back feet and roll up some coil to make the feet as well. Okay, you can make sure all of the legs are about the same length. You can see this one's a little short, so I'm going to adjust. Take the other half of that pipe cleaner and you're going to just fold up some little ears, just so that those are about in the middle of the pipe cleaner. It doesn't need to be exact. Make a little bit of space and then fold up another ear And we're going to put it on the head of the reindeer. And then take those ends and secure them in place by wrapping them around the neck of the reindeer. And then do the other side. You want to bend the ears out toward the outside of the head just a little bit. To make the antlers, find the middle of the tan pipe cleaner and bend it. And then you are going to run it through the pipe cleaner right between the ears. Okay, and then twist it around once just so it is going to stay in place. Now fold down the top of one antler about 1 inch in to make the top of the antlers. Then you're going to fold it to make little antlers on each side. And then bend it so that it's in the middle like so, and do the same thing for the other side. Bend it down about 1 inch. Add an antler on each side. And then bend it into place. Okay, now your reindeer just takes a little adjusting to make sure everything is in the right place. I like to bend the head up just a little bit. To finish off the reindeer, cut a tiny circle of red or black felt for the nose and put a blob of craft glue on there. Set it in place. Then add the eyes. And you're finished. Once the glue is completely dry, your reindeer is ready to go. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner craft and other ideas. There's new episodes every week, so you don't want to miss any.